winter solitude. In a world of one color, the sound of wind, heat waves shimmering 1 or 2 inches above the dead grass. A cool fall night, getting dinner, we peeled eggplants, cucumbers, taking a nap, feet planted against a cool wall. In this world of ours, we eat only to cast out, sleep only to wake, and what comes after all that is simply to die at last. Coolness of the melons, flecked with mud, in the morning dew. The dragonfly can't quite land on that blade of grass. First day of spring, I keep thinking about the end of autumn, a field of cotton, as if the moon had flowered. The oak tree, not interested in cherry blossoms. A flash of lightning, into the gloom goes the heron's cry.